Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see this in other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2015 GMC Yukon XL. Black exterior on a charcoal leather interior. Other features include that it's 4x4, has a power moonroof, towing. It's going to be underneath that cover there. These excel at cargo area and people hauling capacity. Power lift gate. There's the Bose premium audio. 4x4 controls, heated steering wheel, rear camera. With OnStar services, you can get other features such as nav, which does require a subscription. You can see this and other vehicles again at newtonnissan.com.